Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a human hair wig called Sophia from the Jon Renau line. And the color is 613/102 S8, also known as Shaded Champagne. So before I get too far ahead of myself, I'd like to talk about the color a little bit, because color choices matter when you're picking human hair wigs. They matter a lot. This is not synthetic material, so you gotta remember there's been a lot of stuff done to this hair to turn it this color. This hair started out black. Not just kind of brown, not just, you know, like a warm caramel color. No, it started off black, like a 1B. And then they had to lighten it, and lighten it, and tone it, and lighten it, and tone it some more, and lighten it again, to get it like this, okay? Which is why it still has some residual gold tones in it. It is not a true champagne color. It is not a true platinum. It does have some residual gold. You can definitely see that, and that's because this is a biological product, and there's only so much you can do with biological products. So if you're in the market for a human hair wig and you're on that quest for the elusive unicorn, true platinum, yeah, good luck, because there aren't many of those on the market. And if you do happen to find them, they fall apart pretty quickly because, again, they start out black. So I don't know if you have dark hair in real life, but all of my dark-haired sisters out there can know what I'm talking about. If you've ever, you know, on a whim, like in high school, say, tried to bleach your hair and were like, yeah, I'm gonna go with like this icy platinum, it's gonna be great, and then it turned like rust colored or, you know, banana colored, you know what I'm getting at. It takes a lot of work to just get it to be this light, you know. So no, it's not a true platinum. No, it's not ashy, and you're gonna have a really hard time, honestly, regardless of the brand, finding a true ash platinum in any human hair. Like, seriously, especially right out of the box, you're gonna have a real hard time finding that. Cautionary tales delivered. All right, so let's talk about Sophia. The bang on Sophia is 5.5 inches. The crown down is 7.5 inches. The side 5.5, and the nape is also 5.5. This wig is really cute. It's a really manageable length, and I actually think it looks really, really cool in this color. So let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what this looks like on all sides. Super, super cute. So yeah, this wig basically weighs nothing at all. It's like 3.2 ounces, and that's because it's completely hand-tied. So let me take the cap off so I can show you what the construction looks like. This is a completely hand-tied wig. It's got a hand-tied lace front, monofilament top. There's nice fuzzy felt in between the monofilament top and the rest of the cap. The rest of the cap is not particularly stretchy, by the way, except at the perimeter it's a little bit stretchier. You got nice felt here on the ear tabs. You also have an extended felt nape, as well as Velcro adjusters back here. Just let you know that if you pull a little bit too hard on the elastic back here, it can get sucked into this mesh part. Be kind of careful about that. It's not something you can't fix, but it is kind of a pain to do. Here is the top of this wig, so I can show you the monofilament features. And note that that number 8, even though it's a dark contrast up against the rest of the hair, actually looks kind of like a light brown. Let's take a look at this lace front. Now I've got this pushed up a little bit far on my forehead so you can see the knots. They're really nice and small. They start off kind of sparse, and then they get thicker as they go up towards the monofilament features and the top of the cap. And the top of the cap is pretty densely threaded, as you can see there. I'm just kind of picking really unattractive ways to part this, and it still looks pretty good up there. So there you have it. This has been my review of the Sophia wig by Jon Renau in the color 613/102S8. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com, trying to, demystify some of these wigs for you, as well as some of the color codes. So hopefully that's helpful to you guys. And check out my wig store if you get a chance. It's just CysterWigs.com. Until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.